Native Americans are the indigenous peoples of the United States. They are the first groups of people to live in America. Lessons from their ancestors are passed through proverbs, legends, and sayings. Their history is our way of understanding more about the world we live in today. Native American quotes. Old age is not as honorable as death, but most people want it. You already possess everything necessary to become great. When you were born, you cried, and the world rejoiced. Live your life so that when you die, the world cries, and you rejoice. There is no death, only a change of worlds. Our first teacher is our own heart. Man's law changes with his understanding of man. Only the laws of the Spirit remain always the same. I have seen that in any great undertaking, it is not enough for a man to depend simply upon himself. The land is sacred. These words are at the core of your being. The land is our mother, the rivers our blood. Take our land away, and we die. That is, the Indian in us dies. We will be known forever by the tracks we leave. All things share the same breath. The beast, the tree, the man, the air shares its spirit with all the life it supports. Don't be afraid to cry. It will free your mind of sorrowful thoughts. The life of a man is a circle from childhood to childhood, and so it is in everything where power moves. All who have died are equal. It does not require many words to speak the truth. All dreams spin out from the same web. Tell me, and I'll forget. Show me, and I may not remember. Involve me, and I'll understand. Everyone who is successful must have dreamed of something. It is better to have less thunder in the mouth and more lightning in the hand. If a man is as wise as a serpent, he can afford to be as harmless as a dove. Force, no matter how concealed, begets resistance. Even a small mouse has anger. One does not sell the land people walk on. You ask me to plow the ground. Shall I take a knife and tear my mother's bosom? Then when I die, she will not take me to her bosom to rest. May the stars carry your sadness away. May the flowers fill your heart with beauty. May hope forever wipe away your tears, and, above all, may silence make you strong. I was warmed by the sun rocked by the winds, and sheltered by the trees. As other Indian babes, I can go everywhere with a good feeling. Everything on the earth has a purpose, every disease an herb to cure it, and every person a mission. This is the Indian theory of existence. Children learn from what they see. We need to set an example of truth in action.